Testing, testing. Okay, we're good. We were good. Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back. Ooh.
Yeah. Oh my god. I'm sorry, let me do it again.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be attempting to do a full face of makeup using Amazon makeup brushes that were $1 each. You know, I don't know what provoked me to do this, but it's happening, so we gotta go with it. I saw the packaging for these brushes and I saw that they were gold, white together, and I was like, wait, that's for me. That is definitely for me. Thank you very much. So I purchased them and now we're here. I actually got these like 2 months ago, probably 3 months, no, 2 months ago, I think. And I just didn't get a chance to record this video until now. So now it's happening and I'm a little bit scared because I have felt these brushes and they are not the softest in the world. So this will be pretty interesting. These are the Sumi Fit 15-piece professional makeup brushes, and it has 4.5 stars on Amazon. I could have sworn I bought this for $15, but right now on Amazon it says it's $13.98. So less than $1 each, I guess. These ones feel quite cheap, especially around the white portion of the handle. Looking at the handle does not look bad at all. It's just that looking at all the brushes together, they don't all have quite the same color white. If you know what I mean, like one will be white, another one will be bright white, another one will be like a dull white, another one will be like a bone color. So I'm assuming this is supposed to be their foundation brush. Going to use my Fenty Beauty foundation. Shout out to the person who commented in another video. They were like, it was probably meant to be a troll comment, but they said, shake the foundation, don't let the foundation shake you. Touche. I'm running out of my Fenty foundation, guys. Slowly but surely, is running out. So I've already put on my brows. I've already moisturized my face. I've missed you guys. I lost my voice, by the way. I don't know if you saw it on a community tab. Okay, so you know, it's different. Different, yeah. I feel like the brush is soaking up a lot of product, like a lot. And they're essentially all the same kind of bristles. I mean, they look pretty. That's why I bought them in the first place. So far, I can tell you that I'm definitely having to work a bit harder than usual to get the foundation to spread. So this, I think, is kind of like supposed to be an angled buffer brush. Okay, I can already tell you this is stressing me out. I don't even have to. Oh, okay, I've got some shedding here. Lots of inconsistencies with distributing the foundation evenly. Definitely not for the dry girls. When I pat it in, it's not as scratchy as I thought it would be, but not the softest brush I've ever used. So okay, I'm gonna clean up around my brows. I'm just gonna try to imitate the same steps that I normally do. They really, okay, I haven't even used this brush. It's already falling apart. Wow. This looks more like a shader brush to me, but I'm going to use it for concealer around the brow kind of purposes. Black Opal Flawless Concealer as I normally do. Okay, I'm going to use that same foundation brush to blend out the concealer. All right, come through, kitty brushes. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. When I got these brushes and I felt them, I was like, oh no. Oh no, baby, these are for children. Now I'm gonna move on to the eyes, and I have to pick. They don't really give you a lot of blending brushes. I think I'm gonna use this brush. It's more of a, I don't even know what to call it. This is a Makeup Revolution Concealer C12. Yeah, this brush is way too small for this purpose. Okay, you know what? This is gonna drive me crazy. Let's switch over. Man, this is harder than I thought it was gonna be. I'm just gonna have to use this one, and then hopefully I can clean it off and use it for eyeshadow if I need it later. Hopefully the bristles don't fall apart when I'm cleaning it. Again, it's not distributing the product as evenly as I would like for it to. As I mentioned, everything is working. It's just that I have to put in a little bit more muscle, you know, just, oh, wait, hold on. I didn't shave, so just muscle. That's actually kind of sad. I actually do have muscle because I haven't lifted weights in like almost 2 years now. Moving on. That was such a derp thing to do. Oh, girl, you dirty. Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. This palette is just so darn big. I'm kind of sick of it sometimes. I'm gonna use Define Me to the crease and then Evolve right under that. These sound like straight up plastic. Let me hear you. Is this actually meant to apply eyeshadow? Because I can't even blend. Like the bristles won't even move. Oh my God. What did I get myself into right now? I can pack on the color, but I can't blend it. The bristles are so stiff. Unless you're doing one full wash of color over the entire eye, this is completely useless. How did this brush line get 4.5 stars? That's my question. Okay, let me back off. Go really light against the skin, which I was already doing, and just circular motions. And even then, it's still really, really stiff. I really wasn't even going for a brown smoky eye, but since this thing wanted to act up, that's what ended up happening. Did a freaking hair just get in my eye? And I didn't even read the reviews on Amazon, you guys. I just saw that it had 4.5 stars and I saw that it was pretty and I just bought it. Probably should have read the reviews. Not sure if that would have made a difference anyway though, but hey. Let me see if I can try to do something adventurous with these brushes. So I'm gonna use that same concealer brush I used earlier around my brows and try to do a spotlight cut crease, spotlight halo, whatever they call it. This brush is being defiant. I'm just kind of concentrated on the sides here. I'm gonna clean off this concealer shader brush thingy, whatever it is. This brush held up to being cleaned, which is good. So I'm using the color Inspire to the very middle. This is a shimmer. This color is called So Glam from the same Morphe 39A palette. And I'm gonna go right in the center. There's like a really small brush. It reminds me of my Lip LO5 brush. I'm gonna take MAC Fix Plus and go into this So Glam color. And let me just be completely honest with you. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, now she has a little bit of character. She may not be the director, but she is definitely the assistant manager now. You know what I mean? Oh my God, I swore I was not gonna do something complicated and here I am, 4 colors onto the eyes later. All right, so very earthy toned kind of situation going on. So I think I'm gonna take a small brush, go in with a darker color and drag it up. You know, I could actually use a lip brush. I think I'm gonna clean off the lip brush and use it because I'm not sure how well this situation would come out. All right, so the lip brush held up nicely to being cleaned. Let me use Define just to be on the safe side. And if I don't like it, I can always lay another color on top of that. Outline the perimeter. And yeah, so that way it gives it a little bit more depth. I'm gonna bring this darker color down a little further. I'll just try to use this again, I guess. And hopefully all goes well. They have this brow brush in here, and yeah, it's very big. My brows already been gelled down. I don't even know why I was doing that, but it's very big. So y'all can't say I didn't use it because I just technically used it. I'm gonna use the color Artistic and place that on the brow bone. Ooh, that's pretty. Again, difficult to blend out. I'm gonna apply my concealer as per usual, blend it out with a sponge, and then proceed with the rest of the look. I am definitely not using one of these brushes to try to blend out my concealer. And I'm just gonna set this with my new fave, the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 35 Deep. I'll use this to dust off the excess. It smells kind of funny. It's like a faint, funny smell. I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Contour, Blush, Contour, Blush, Contour. Sleek contour kit in Zoc. The bristles don't move quite as nicely as they could, but this is probably like the best brush out of all of them as far as fluffiness goes. I think I want to take Pine to the lower lash line just to keep the green consistent. And I'm gonna use that angled liner brush and just stamp this under here. I think this color is called Evolve. You know, just smoking things out. That was just ugly. Okay, it's It's not quite blending, but it happens. You know, that's just life. Sometimes things blend and sometimes they don't. Maybe I can just use this to kind of, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Using this big old brush here. But hey, it is what it is. Yeah, I'm regretting taking this out the way I did. It looks so ugly to me. Oh my god, what was I thinking? I'm just gonna kind of smoke that up and out. This is what happens when I just decide to play in makeup. Basic liner type of situation here. Oh, inner corner. That's what I'm missing. I'm gonna use the color Majestic and see what that's like. Use that to the inner corner. You really about to do it on him? About to do it on him. Oh yeah. Okay, this color is irrelevant when it comes to Trophy Wife. Okay, so let me just clean this other color off of this brush real quick. Get ready for the queen. This is what will make me happy for this look. Oh my God. Let me just mind my business and respect my person, because I'm already taking it up way too high. So yeah, just respect yourself. I should have added Trophy Wife to the middle of the green. That's what I should have done. Matter of fact, maybe I'll just use Trophy Wife as a highlighter too. It's all about risk taking in 2018. Don't ask permission, ask for forgiveness, okay? That moment when you use too much MAC Fix Plus and it actually doubles as hairspray. Slick it down, girl, just slick it down. Multi-purpose, okay? CEO of the CCC Limited Worldwide United Incorporated, the Cost Conscious Consumer Coalition. Oh shoot, I actually don't even have a brush to highlight with except for this one. Dust some of it off and apply. This highlighter can be very, very intense, as we know. I do want to take it up though, just a little bit, just a little bit. All I did was, you know, I forgive you. I forgive you. That's all I can tell you. I don't know what it is about Trophy Wife, but girl, she... Okay, not everybody can do that thing that y'all do with the, you know? I just keep wanting to add more. All I need is just a little bit more. Oh, na, 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 they don't know how you like it. Okay, so no, Youkeyy, respect yourself. Respect yourself. How did this thing just travel up like this? Huh? Oh god, okay, I can't fix it now. I've basically used all the brushes at this point. I need to find a way to get this onto my nose and stuff. I think I'll just, god, I hope I don't regret this. Just a little tiny bit with my finger, just a tiny. Why am I so weird? Okay, I don't know, okay, you know what? Now you're just doing too much. Bring it down. Just dial it back a little bit. I want to put this all over my lips. Gonna do it. You can't stop me. Because you're not my real mom. I don't like it. I like it on the upper lip alone, but not on the lower lip. I might as well just be consistent and just use the Fenty gloss, you know? Oh, I like that. I like it, girl. Don't you know I like it? I like the way you look at me. I like the time we say. I like what we have grown to be. I like it, girl. Don't you know I like it? Okay, if you guys don't remember Sammy, you're probably too young or you never heard of him. Sammy was the jam, okay? When I was younger, everybody loved Bow Wow and I didn't really care for him. But Sammy... Now this has spiraled into like an entire 90s thing for me now. Oh my god, you guys remember that other Sammy song? How did it go? I put you in a flying skin, make sure you're tight. perpetrating, making you think everything's alright. Call you on my cell phone, baby, even on peak time. The crazy things I do for love. Let me put some lashes on, apply some mascara, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, here is the finished look. Definitely giving you a bit of like tropical Caribbean kind of vibes with the eyes and also the background as well. Look like I belong in a Sean Paul video. Getting top of the hood, bitch, fuck somebody, baby, people living on my shop, the big ass, some dirty, big dirty, Sean Paul and Sasha, come sing for them, baby. Yeah, you're making me hotter and you make me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Till I can't get you off my mind. I'm gonna love. I'm still in love.
And well, no, I can do this. Don't. And no!
Or like any other kind of tropical Caribbean vibes kind of video. Zagazao, zigazao, zagazao, zigazao, bad man now. No letting go, no holding back. Because you are my lady. When I'm with you, this all I got. Girl, why do I still not know the exact lyrics after all these years? I used all 15 brushes and I'm pretty proud of myself for how this came out considering the circumstances. Definitely would not recommend these. If you're looking for super inexpensive, affordable, cheap, whatever you want to call it, makeup brushes that are actually effective and actually work, definitely check out e.l.f., NYX, BH Cosmetics, Wet n Wild, who else? I'm drawing a blank. But yeah, just leave them down below. Even Morphe. I mean, I know Morphe brushes are not like $1, but they are very inexpensive. Some of them, anyway. When I first started makeup, a friend of mine actually told me, she said, you can buy really cheap makeup and make it work as long as you invest in good brushes. And I totally agree with that. And times have changed since back then. You can now get good brushes that are inexpensive and affordable. But this brush right here, I think it'll be perfect to dust off some nail dust when I'm, creating some press-on nails. And that's really all I can say. Oh, and the foundation brush. This would also be great for me to apply like a mask. You know what I mean? All the other brushes, I'll have to figure out uses for them. I'm so sorry for not bringing you guys in closer for the eyes. If I had known that I would do something like this, I definitely would have brought you in closer, but it has happened. I'm sorry. So yeah, I think that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and also comment down below in the comment section. Share this video, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, wherever it is that your heart desires, Tumblr even. Be sure that you are subscribed to my channel and hit the bell to get all notifications so you never miss any of my uploads. And yeah, I think that is all. Thank you guys once again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye. Sean Paul and Sasha, come sing for them, baby. Hey, man. But okay, we're off feet a little bit, but it's okay. Tenderness. Was there a yellow cheetah girl? Well, I'm gonna be the orange cheetah. Wait, there was an orange cheetah girl. Okay, I'm in between the yellow and the orange cheetah girl, per the background, as you can see. So, cause we are sisters, we stand together, we make up one big family, though we don't look the same, our spots are different colors. We make each other strong, and that ain't never gonna change. Cheetah girls, cheetah sisters, yeah. I need to stop recording at night because something happens and I just turn into this.